Question 14. Two different European political parties are proposing changing the rules for income tax payments for the tax year April 2018 to 2019. The Yellow Party, taxable income is gross income take away personal income. Your personal allowance is €5,000. Your basic rate is 10% on the first €10,000 of taxable income. Your middle rate of tax is 25% on all taxable income over €10,000 and then up to €30,000. And the higher rate is 50% is payable on all taxable income over $30,000. So let's have a look for what the question says about it first. During the tax year 2018 to 19, Janina's gross income is likely to be $55,000. Which party's tax proposal would result in Janina paying the least tax, and by how much? So let's have a look at this one then for the Yellow Party. First thing it tells us, we've got to find what is her taxable income. So her taxable income, is equal to a gross income, which is 55,000, take away, her personal allowance is 5,000. So it's 55,000, take away 5,000, so 50,000. So her taxable income is €50,000. So that means she's going to be taxed on this. She pays 10%, basic rate of tax, 10% on the first 10,000. So for her first 10,000, she pays 10% of 10,000. To find 10%, we divide by 10. So 10,000 divided by 10 is 1,000. So she pays €1,000 in that category. She pays 25% then on, so the next 20,000. So in money, between 10,000 up to 30,000, which is 20,000, she pays 25% of €20,000. 25% is a quarter, so a quarter of 25,000 is 5,000. So she pays €5,000 in that section. And she pays 50% on anything over 30,000. So between 50,000, take away 30,000. So she pays 50% of the next 20,000. 50% is a half, so half of 20,000 is 10,000. So her taxable income is, we add the three amounts up. So her taxable income is €16,000. So that's for the Yellow Party. For the Orange Party, let's have a look at them. Personal allowance is 10,000, so that means her taxable income is 50,000, take away 10,000, which is 40,000. So she's got a taxable income of 40,000. A basic rate, so she's got two rates now. She got a basic rate of 20% of the first 20,000. So out of that 40,000, she's paying 20% of the first 20,000. 10% would be 2,000, so 20% would be €4,000. And then she pays 40% on the rest. So, because, sorry, her taxable income is actually 45,000, isn't it? Because she earns 55,000. So 55,000 take away 10,000. So she pays 40%. She's paid on 20,000 of this 45,000. And she's got 25,000 left. So because she got 25,000 left, because where does that come from? 45,000, take away the 20,000 that's been taxed already. So 40% of 25,000, 10% would be 2,500. So I'm timesing the answer by 4. So that one would be £10,000. So her total there is €14,000. So for Janina paying the least tax, she needs the Yellow Party because she pays 2,000. Sorry, she wants the one with the least tax, sorry, not the most tax. So for it to the least tax, the orange is less, so she pays €2,000 less with the orange party. Oh, part B. Samuli plays rugby for an international team. He is likely to earn 200,000 during the tax year for 2018 to 2019. Without any calculations, explain why Samuli might favour the orange party. Most of Samuli's tax money is going to be paid at the highest tax rate. So he's likely to prefer the orange party because the tax rate for the bigger earnings is 40%. Whereas the one for the yellow party, for most of his income, would be 50%. So it's going to be, alright, so he favours the orange because most of his money at the higher rate is at 40% with the orange party compared to 50% with the yellow party, so he'll pay less tax.